God will never allow your current doors to be shut without opening another door for you first. So the door is already open for you, and then only this door is shut. He had a problem by Herod, but he moved to another place, and it was God's doing to bring him to another place to minister to another place. Hallelujah. God could have just told him, go to that place and minister to them. But through this problem, God moved him to another place. Hallelujah. Now, the purpose of Jesus on earth is for him to do the will of God. He came to the earth to do the will of God. Now, to minister to the multitudes, it's God's will. That is the blessing for Jesus. When one door was shut, another door is already open for him. Another door is already open for him. God will never allow your current doors to be shut without opening another door for you first. So the door is already open for you, and then only this door is shut, so that you will move from this place to another place. Today you could be rejected. Like Jesus, you could be rejected. But there is another place where the people will welcome you. You know, only King Herod rejected Jesus, but multitudes accepted him. So what you are going through today is the journey, is the pathway toward your blessing. Toward your blessing. Hallelujah. Your problem could be that you lost something which you count valuable in your life, but God has greater blessing than what you have lost. Only when the valuable things are removed in your life, you can receive what God has for you. This is the way of God blessing his people. What you see as valuable to your side, he will make you to lose it. When you lose it, he will replace it with the greater blessings. When you fall to the ground, it means God is going to rise up to the highest place. Hallelujah. Your problems could give you pain one day, but one day is going to be turned to be a great joy for you. God's plan for your future is peace and joy and prosperous life. Hallelujah. It is not to cause you painful anymore. Hallelujah. When Jesus faced that problem that day, it turned to be blessing for him and for his neighbor as well. For the people, because if he is not rejected, these people would not be healed. He has to go to this place, and more than that, he fed the 5,000 people that day miraculously. Same thing in the book of Acts, we can see the disciples were persecuted, they were scattered, but they go all around the places, and spread the gospel. They face persecution; it's a problem for them, but through that problem, persecution, the gospel was spread throughout the whole world today. Hallelujah. If the disciples did not face problems that day, if they did not face for that day, we wouldn't be a Christian today. Do you understand what I mean? If they never face problems, or they never die for Christ that day, we wouldn't be a Christian today. Hallelujah. We are saved because of the problems. So every problems are meant for our good or others' good. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. In your life, whatever that you're going through today will turn to be blessing for many people. For your experience in what you're going through will be a channel of blessing. Only when you went through certain things, you can know this is going to hurt you or not. You can advise others, teach others. So this is how God do things in your life. Hallelujah. Joseph was rejected by his own family. He was sold as a slave. But in that place, after 13 years, Joseph became a great blessing for the whole world, even his own family. God knows a famine is about to come, going to hit the people. He sent Joseph ahead of them. To him, he thought it's a big problem, but God has a great purpose. That's why towards the end he says that what you intended for evil, God intended for good. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. So whatever problems that seems to be evil in your life today is intended for good. The devil intends it for evil. God is intending it for good. Hallelujah. It will be turned to be good one day.
You have just listened to Reverend Jonathan Ezra's sermon message. If this message was a blessing to you, please share it so that others will be blessed as well. For more video sermons, kindly like us on our Facebook page, Tabera Ministries, or find us on YouTube as well. May God